Have you ever walked into a bank and felt completely lost? Too many options, too many fees. You did not know where to start.
Today we are going to help you. You will learn how to open a bank account in English, the exact words to use, and the right questions to ask.
Stay with us. By the end of this episode, banks will feel much less scary. Welcome to Learn English. I am William, and this is your intermediate listening practice. Today we are at level B1.
And I am Sarah. Today's topic is opening a bank account and understanding basic financial terms. This is really useful if you are living in or visiting the United States.
In our first conversation, I will play a customer visiting a bank branch, and Sarah will be the bank representative. We will talk about different account types, fees, and requirements.
And in our second conversation, we will talk about financial terms like APR, credit scores, and interest rates. Ready? Let us go. Good afternoon. Welcome to First National Bank. How can I help you today?
Hi there. I would like to open a checking account, please. I just moved to the area and I need a bank account for my salary.
Of course. We have two main options. Our standard checking account has no monthly fee if you set up direct deposit. Our basic checking has a $5 monthly fee with no requirements.
I will have direct deposit from my job, so the standard account sounds better. Is there a minimum balance I need to keep?
For the standard checking, there is no minimum balance requirement as long as you have active direct deposit. You also get a free debit card with the account.
Great. Does the account include overdraft protection? I am worried about accidentally spending more money than I have.
Yes, we offer overdraft protection linked to a savings account. If you also open a savings account with us today, we can connect them automatically.
That sounds like a good idea. Can I also set up online banking? I would like to check my balance from my phone.
Absolutely. Our mobile app is free and very easy to use. You can check your balance, transfer money, and even deposit checks by taking a photo. We will help you set it up before you leave today.
Perfect. What documents do I need to open the account?
You will need a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, your social security number, and an initial deposit of at least $25.
I have my passport and I can deposit $50 today. One more question. What is the routing number? My employer asked for it.
Great question. The routing number identifies our bank. You can find it at the bottom of your checks or on our website. I will print it on a card for you today along with your new account number.
Wonderful. Let us get started then. I am glad I came in today. This all makes much more sense now.
Great conversation. Let us review some of the key vocabulary from that dialogue. First, checking account versus savings account.
A checking account is for daily spending. You use it to pay bills, buy groceries, and receive your salary. A savings account is for money you want to keep and grow over time.
Next, direct deposit. This is when your employer sends your paycheck electronically straight to your bank account. No paper check needed. Most banks waive their monthly fee if you set this up.
Overdraft protection is very important. If you spend more than your balance, overdraft protection stops the bank from rejecting your payment. Instead, it covers the difference, but sometimes for a small fee.
And the routing number, remember, this is a 9-digit code for the bank itself, not your personal account. You need it along with your account number for direct deposit. Every branch of the same bank shares the same routing number.
Now let us listen to a second conversation. William has opened his account and is home talking to his friend Sarah about some confusing financial terms. Sarah, I was reading the bank paperwork and I keep seeing the letters April. What does that actually mean?
APR stands for annual percentage rate. It tells you how much a loan or credit card costs you per year. A lower APR is always better for the borrower.
So if I have a credit card with a high April and I do not pay my full balance, I will pay a lot in interest charges?
Exactly right. That is why it is so important to pay your credit card bill in full every month if you can. Now, have you heard of a credit score?
I have heard of it, but I am not sure how it works. How do I build a good credit score if I am new to the country?
Start with a secured credit card. You deposit money as collateral, use the card for small purchases, and pay the full balance every month. After 6 to 12 months, your credit score will start to grow.
That sounds manageable. And does opening my new bank account help my credit score at all?
Opening a bank account alone does not directly affect your credit score, but having a stable banking history shows financial responsibility. Lenders like to see that when you apply for a loan or apartment in the future. Let us break down the key terms from that second conversation. First, APR or annual percentage rate. Think of it as the true yearly cost of a loan or credit card. When comparing credit cards, always look for the lowest APR.
Interest charges are the extra money you pay when you borrow. If your credit card has a 20% April and you owe $100 for a full year, you will pay $20 in interest charges on top of what you borrowed.
And the credit score. This number follows you everywhere in the United States. Landlords check it, employers sometimes check it, and banks definitely check it before giving you a loan. A score above 700 is considered good. Above 750 is excellent.
The best way to build a strong credit score: pay your bills on time, keep your credit card balance low, and do not apply for too many cards at once. Small steps, big results over time.
Now it is time for our repeat after me section. Listen to each phrase, then pause and repeat it. Focus on the stress and natural rhythm.
I would like to open a checking account.
Is there a monthly fee for this account?
I would like to set up direct deposit with my employer.
Could you explain how overdraft protection works?
What is the routing number for this bank?
Time for our comprehension quiz. Listen to each question carefully and think of your answer before we give it.
Question 1. How can William avoid paying the monthly fee on the standard checking account?
The answer is by setting up direct deposit. As long as his employer sends his salary directly to the account, the $5 monthly fee is waived.
Question 2. What is a credit score, and why is it important in the United States?
A credit score is a number between 300 and 850 that shows how trustworthy you are as a borrower. It is important because landlords, lenders, and sometimes employers use it to make decisions about you.
Question 3. What does April stand for, and when is a lower April better?
APR stands for annual percentage rate. A lower APR is always better when you are borrowing money. It means you pay less in interest charges over time.
That is all for today's episode. You now know how to open a bank account in English and understand key financial terms like April, credit score, and direct deposit.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Tell us what banking topic you want to learn next. We release new episodes every week.
Thank you for learning English with us today. See you in the next episode.